Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're addressing a frustrating issue many users face. Gmail not opening on your PC after a recent update. Don't worry, we've got some simple fixes to help you get back into your inbox. Let's dive right in. First, let's try refreshing the Gmail web page. Simply click on the refresh icon located at the top left of your browser. Sometimes, a quick refresh is all it takes. If that doesn't do the trick, the next step is clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of your browser. From there, select Delete Browsing Data. In the new tab that appears, ensure all options are checked and set the time range to all time. Then, click on Delete Data to give your browser a fresh start. Now, let's log out of Gmail and log back in. In the top right corner, click on your photo, then select Sign Out. After that, enter your email address and password, then hit Sign In to access your account again. Sometimes, simply restarting your device can help. Press the Windows icon, click on the power icon, and select Shutdown. After waiting for about 30 seconds, turn your device back on by pressing the power button. If Gmail still isn't opening, try connecting to a different network. Click on the network icon in the notifications area and switch to another available network. Lastly, make sure your internet connection is stable. Again, click on the network icon in the notifications area to check your current network status. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of Gmail not opening. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.